In the second half of the semester, we will continue moving through the steps of the Interdisciplinary Research Process, the IRP. This week, we are going to examine step 6, which includes 2 substeps. First, we analyze the problem from each discipline's perspective, primarily in terms of its insights and theories. Second, we evaluate the insights produced by each discipline to identify their strengths and limitations. We also assess the relevant theories, methods, data, and phenomena. Essentially, this step requires a lot of reading and a lot of critical thinking. Then, in the next few weeks, we will expand upon this step and begin to integrate the insights. Once again, you will have the opportunity to practice this step in an upcoming class discussion. In the next few videos, we will cover the first substep, analyze the problem, and then in the second half of this collection, we will take a look at the second substep, evaluate insights.